Moving on, back here in India, on the eve of the monsoon session of the Parliament, the Prime Minister came out sending out a warning saying that the 2G issue must be decided by the courts and not in the Parliament. The BJP, however, has refused to blink, daring the government to explain the 2G scam. The war of words setting the stage for a stormy session ahead.
Opposition has also too many skeletons in the cupboard. We are not afraid of discussing any issue.
लेकिन कल से आप देखेंगे कि कौन किस पर वार करता है.
On the eve of the monsoon session of Parliament, the tone set for the days ahead. The Speaker summoning all parties, hoping to convince the warring sides to allow Parliament to function uninterrupted. But outside, the camaraderie gave way to a sharp, scathing war of words.
Well, it's not every day that you hear from the Prime Minister. So today, when he was going in for that lunch after the all-party meeting, which was called by the Speaker in Parliament House, he did take a few minutes to stop before that and speak to the journalists. And clearly, he's made it very sort of evident that the stage is set for a very tough political fight that's going to take place here in Parliament tomorrow when the session begins.
Sources telling Times Now that the BJP is all set to confront the Prime Minister and the former Finance Minister after the tainted A. Raja claimed they were all in the know of the 2G scam.
अगर उनकी तर्कश में कोई तीर हैं तो वो सारे तीर चलाकर देख लें. संसद का सत्र है. चीज़ों के फैसले संसद के बाहर नहीं होते, संसद के अंदर होते हैं. उन्हें जो कहलाना है वो अपनी तरफ से जरूर कहलाएं.
But the government blunting the attack with this clarification from the Prime Minister's office, stating that the Prime Minister was misquoted on the 2008 noting on the 2G case and did not look away in the Spectrum scam, instead directed the Department of Telecom to look into the matter.
There are some matters which are in the courts, which are being investigated by the CBI. I sincerely hope that matters which are in the court should be left to be decided by the courts and we should not prejudge those issues.
The other key sticky issue is the Lokpal Bill. The government reiterating that the Lokpal Bill would be introduced as promised.
Our government has taken a view that taking all factors into account, it would not be advisable to bring the Prime Minister within the purview of the Lokpal except when he demits office.
The BJP, however, likely to raise a furor over the exclusion of the Prime Minister from the bill.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का स्पष्ट मत है कि प्रधानमंत्री को लोकपाल के दायरे में लाना चाहिए.
Even as the corruption crusaders kept up the pressure.
प्रधानमंत्री भी उनके पीछे चल गए तो ये तो दुर्दैव है हमारा. ये लड़ाई संसद के विरोध में नहीं है.
With just a few hours to go, the UPA and the opposition are now armed and battle ready for what promises to be a stormy parliament session. Your report, Times Now.